Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Blender with the image editor open. This gets you straight to the pixels. First, split a viewport and switch its editor type to image editor, then load an existing image or create a new one at the resolution you need, for example 2048 times 2048. Once done, use the view controls to zoom and pan, and check display options so colors and channels match your project. This prevents surprises when you later reapply the texture. Now you configure painting tools and the canvas so your edits behave predictably. Switch to texture paint or image paint to expose brushes, then choose brush type, set size and strength, and enable pressure sensitivity if you use a tablet so strokes respond naturally. Make sure the image you opened is assigned to the active UV map and material. If you need non-destructive edits, create separate image files or use masks. This keeps changes modular and easy to fix later. Finish by saving and linking your edited image back into the 3D scene so you can see the result. Use image save or save as to write the file to disk. Remember, overwriting replaces the original, so keep backups. Then refresh the material or reassign the image texture node in the shader editor so the 3D view updates. If things go wrong, check that the UV island is active, the correct image is selected in the image editor, and viewport shading shows textures. That single check fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.